Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes after a call in Pipedrive in just 3 minutes, so you can keep your conversations organized and your follow-ups on point. Let's get started. First, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Activities. This is where all your calls, meetings, and tasks are stored. You'll see a list view showing both your recent and upcoming activities. If your sidebar is collapsed, simply hover over it to reveal the labels. Next, locate the finished call you want to add notes to. Completed calls will appear alongside your past activities. Selecting the correct call ensures your notes are linked to the right interaction. Once you find the call, click on it to open the Details panel on the right side. This panel shows key information like the subject, time, and any existing details related to that activity. Now, look for the yellow text field. This is where you'll enter your notes. Keep your notes clear and actionable. Include the main outcome of a call, any commitments made, important questions or objections, and the next steps. Writing in short, easy-to-scan sentences helps you and your team quickly understand the context later. When you're done, click Save to make sure your notes are recorded. This step is important because your notes will then be attached to the call record and also visible in related timelines, like the associated contact or deal. And that's it. You've successfully added notes after a call in Pipedrive. To quickly recap, go to Activities, find your completed call, open its details, add your notes in the yellow field, and click Save. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.